The Zumwalt class is a 15,900 ton destroyer. It's a class of 3 US Navy guided missile destroyers. They have been designed as multi-mission stealth ships with a focus on strategic land attack. Initially, 32 were planned, but now the number have been reduced to 3 due to high cost of new and experimental technologies. Just to put things in perspective, India's Visakhapatnam class destroyer has a displacement of 7,400 ton. This means Zumwalt class will be twice its size. In simple words, larger the ship, heavier the weaponry. Designed with a primary role of naval gunfire support and secondary role of being a surface warfare and anti-aircraft warfare ship. These ships are classified as destroyers, but they are much larger than the other active destroyers or cruisers of the US Navy. The class has an integrated electric propulsion system that can send electricity from its turbo generators to the electric drive motors and operate weapons. The ship is enabled with high levels of computing environment infrastructure, which is artificial intelligence enabled. It also has automated firefighting systems on board. The class is designed to operate with a smaller crew with low operable costs. Despite being 40% larger than an Earl-Eg Burke class destroyer, the radar cross-section is more akin to that of a fishing boat. This means greater stealth and deception. The unique and awkward-looking tumble-home hull and composite deck house reduces radar returns, giving it a very high stealth. Overall, the destroyer's angular build makes it 50 times harder to spot on radar than an ordinary destroyer. If we talk of armaments, then they range from naval guns to cruise missiles and long-range hypersonic weapons. Zumwalt class ships will have advanced gun system of 155 mm naval guns, 2 of which are installed in each ship. It has 20 Mark 57 vertically launched system modules. Each module has 4 cells. That makes it to a total of 80 launch cells. And each cell can fire either 4 RIM-162 Evolved Sea Sparrow missiles or 1 Tomahawk cruise missile or 1 SM-6 or RUM-139 vertically launched anti-submarine rocket. To put things in perspective, a Zumwalt class destroyer can fire up to 80 Tomahawk cruise missiles at one time. A Tomahawk missile is a land attack cruise missile with a range of up to 2,000 plus kilometers, and each missile can carry a nuclear warhead of 5 to 150 kiloton yield or a conventional 1,000-pound TNT warhead. So that's the devastation one ship can bring to bear upon the enemy.